Today, we're going to explore 5 ways to use Melissa essential oil and give you 5 DIY recipes. Follow along. Melissa, also known as lemon balm, has been used for health practices for over 2,000 years in Europe. Melissa essential oil also can help encourage relaxation and promote positive feelings. Now let's talk about 5 ways to use Melissa essential oil. The first way you can use is in a veggie cap. You can place 1 to 2 drops of Melissa essential oil and use it internally to promote a healthy immune system. You can also put 2 drops in a veggie cap, and you can take that internally as well to help promote healthy cholesterol levels that are already in that normal range. Now, number 3, you can apply a drop of Melissa right underneath your tongue and then swallow to support cellular health. I recommend following it up with a glass of water. Number 4, diffuse Melissa at night to help lessen the feelings of stress and help create that relaxing environment that we all desire as we go to sleep. And number 5, you can add Melissa to your daily moisturizer to rejuvenate the skin, as it is amazing to help with your skin. If you like what you learned, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you're notified for every weekly video. As always, my name is Caroline Lee. I'm a doTERRA Diamond Wellness Advocate, and I would love to help you explore the world of essential oils. Take care.